everybody. My name is ThabiMarg. Welcome to my online English class. Today's lesson is about levels of language. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about a new chapter which is levels of language. So today we are just doing the introductions, and then afterwards we can dive deeper into it as time goes on. So today we say language may be formal, informal, or emotive depending on its purpose and the relationship between its user and the recipient. So we are saying language has three types. One is formal, two informal, three is emotive. So we use either one depending on the relationship we have with the person that we are speaking to. So we have three types as we have mentioned. We have number one, which is formal language. We have number two, which is informal language. And then we have number three, which is emotive language. So from under number one, I will tell you the definition, but don't worry about it. In the next lesson, you're gonna get all the information. So this is just an introduction. So we have formal language, and we say this is the language needed in situations which demand respect and sophistication. So we use formal language for respect and sophistication. So the example is job interview, debate, or written essay. Then we move on to number two, which is informal language. And we say informal language is a modern language used in everyday speech when less formality is required. So example is between parent and child or between peers. So here we use informal language when we are talking to our friends or our parents. So it's an everyday speech. So under informal language, we have letter A, which is colloquialism, and then we have letter B, which is slang, and then we have letter C, which is jargon, and then we have letter D, which is politically correct language. Then we move on to number three, which is emotive language. And then we say emotive language appeals to emotions rather than to intellect. So emotions language is all about the emotion that a person has. So is when a person relays something that is emotive. So we have letter A, which is subjectivity and objectivity. We have letter B, which is fact and opinion. We have C, which is denotation and connotation. We have D, which is bias and prejudice. We have E, which is propaganda. We have F, which is sensationalism. Thank you everybody for attending today's class. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.